It's kind of a challenging world, a very competitive world where these phone companies are trying to make cases and compete with each other. Today we have some accessories and some cases from Benk. That's a B-E-N-K. They were gracious enough to send us these products, and we are so grateful to receive them. 3 products here, 3 cases, well, 2 cases and a screen protector, but of course, this all makes it one. What do we get? So first of all, before we put on the cases, I think we should look at the screen protector. Now, nothing goes better on your case than a screen protector. This bad boy right here goes for $29.99. Let's see what you get inside. Now, very tight plastic. Let's see, do we need a knife? I just look for a reason to use it anyway. So here we go, knife required. Open her up. For that kind of price, what do you get in this box? So here we go. Ooh, do we have stickers? Benks. Now, these accessories are for the S25 Ultra. I've noticed that Samsung has been catching up to Apple in terms of the accessories. It's kind of hard to find accessories for a lot of your phones, but Samsung is catching up. So you only get one in the box. There's nothing else. Wait, maybe I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Oh, nope. Yep, no, I was right. One in the box, one and done. You get an applicator, and then you have everything you need to put it on. Now, if you guys watched any of my other videos, let me just say, I am terrible at putting on screen protectors. Luckily for us, Benks is nice enough to send us some instructions. I am not making the mistake of doing this on camera again. Now, this applicator seems idiot proof. I took some time to read it, and I think I can do it on camera. I think I'm gonna go for it because I think it's just 2 pulls. Beauty about this screen protector is that you got 9H hardness, and it's compatible with your fingerprint, and they've got nano coating. So it's one of those smudge resistant. I don't know if you've ever seen it. They put some droplets on the screen. It's supposed to reject it. So it's got some good coating on it, but let's see. We're gonna do this together. All right, don't laugh at me because you guys know you're terrible at this too. All right, hold on. Let me just, there's just one pull. There's one pull. All right, here we go. And then there's 2, number 2. Okay, number 2 is just a pull. And the reveal. Can I do this? Oh, hell yeah. That was easy. Take it from me, the worst person in the world to put this on. That's a nice screen protector. Now, this is not even the only screen protector they have, because this is the HD. They also have an AR, which stands for anti-reflectant. And if you're a fan of Samsung's anti-reflective coating, then you'll be a fan of that one. But this is the one that we got. This is the HD. Fits very nicely. It feels like glass. This is it. What do you guys think? $29.99. It's idiot-proof application. I approve it because I can put it on. So you can't go wrong. You literally can't go wrong. Read, apply, there it is. So what do we got next? Let's go with the ArmoAir 600D. Now this case, it's made with Kevlar. That's been like the new thing. Everything is made with Kevlar. Everything is supposed to be ultra protective, but this is your minimalist case with Kevlar. This one will strike you at $39.99. It's supposed to be slim. It's supposed to be for the stylish minimalist in you. got MagSafe. Well, there you go. Look, check that out. Without further ado, oh, you got some branding here. Look at that. You got to give it up to these companies, man. They tried to present it well because there's just so much competition. Here's the case inside. It is extremely thin. Apply it to the phone. Here we go. And it's got the screen protector on already. Easily goes on. This is what she'll look like. This is what the case looks like. Now, also, it's got, on top of being made with Kevlar, on top of protecting your camera, it's got MagSafe. Let's see how strong it is, how good it is. There you go, clipped on there. Did you catch that? You've got your MagSafe. It's a pretty good magnet. Medium kind of struggle, medium. There you go. For the minimalist, for the stylist, this is what you got. You put it in your pocket, you forget about it. You pull it out, it looks sleek. Is this your kind of case? Especially with the competition. I think of like Pitaka, stuff like that. It's giving me Pitaka vibes, where this is exposed and this is exposed. It's not your bulky kind of protection. It's a very sleek. Now in the hand, it's not the grippiest case, but it's not slippery. You can definitely get away with carrying this case, feeling comfortable. 600D, made with Kevlar, protective case, ArmoAir. But let's move on to the VitaPro. Now, this one doesn't say it's made with Kevlar, but it's made with a special kind of silicone. Now this one will run you $29.99. And you know what it's kind of giving me? It's kind of giving me like interior, like a car interior kind of a deal. Like, you know, when a dash, car interior, this is what this feels like. It's got metal buttons. We'll find out how clicky they are. Now this one, this is if you want more protection and you don't care about the Kevlar and you're not a minimalist. Feels like leather. Got a little bit of branding right there. You got Benks. And now, for the piece of resistance, there's your MagSafe. It seems like that is the standard across the board. These cases all have MagSafe. Oh. So it's got a fairly good MagSafe. Any MagSafe that you would find in an iPhone. I would say this case has better MagSafe, much stronger grip. But these are your cases right here. And then you saw the screen protector. Quick wipe down. Screen protector is clean again. So what do you guys think? The VitaPro, the ArmoAir, and then you've got the HD screen protector, all from Benks. Would you pick something like this up? What's your favorite case? Let us know down below. And hey, I'll tell you what, if you guys are in need of a case, maybe we'll give one to you. Subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you want a case. Until then, we'll catch you on the next one.